Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Station. Today I'll be telling you about the coding of this website, Kids Trends. You can get the link of this website in the description box of this video. To start with it, here you can say that it's written Kids Trends in a cursive style. So I'll be telling you how I made this. Next, I have an image and a paragraph. Okay, now over here you can see these are different parts of this website. I've not coded each of these parts yet, so I'm just telling you that whenever my mouse is being hovered on any writing like home or ethnic wear or any of them, then the font size and color is changing. So I'll be telling you how I coded this. So make sure you watch this video till the end and just look at the background. It's pink and white. It's a gradient color, so I really love it. Okay, so whenever we start and with HTML code, we write this tag HTML. Next we start with head. After head we always write the title. So this is how I wrote the title. It's my project 58. Next I link this with Google Fonts, from where I got this kids trends the font. So link href equal to in you know symbol. Next we write this we copy paste this link from the CSS part of Google Fonts, and we relate it with style sheet. Style sheet is actually CSS, that is cascading styling sheet. So the full form of CSS is cascading styling sheet. Next we have the head. We close the head and we have the body. We start with the body and the UI class equal to menu. Now here we link all these things in a particular class. So all these things over here, all these five different writings, we link it in one class, so that when we code in CSS we just have to code the class, not each and every writing separately. So this is how we link it. Next we are having h1. We code the h1 id as brand. Next we write kids trends, close the h1 and put a section tag. Next we link this image by using this tag image src equal to, and we just paste the image link from Google or any other website. Next we put the paragraphs id as intro. Next we I just copy pasted this. This was a project, so I was given this and I copy pasted this. Next I just break it like this, and then I put another paragraph. I just copy paste it once again. Next I break it and I write that contact us for further customizations and queries. I close the paragraph tag, section tag, body tag, and HTML tag. And then I simply go to CSS. Okay. In CSS, I am having this menu. So whenever we code this, we put a dot and this curly bracket. Next, we put the list style as none. Position absolute, top right, Z index, cursor pointer. Okay. So this top right Z index, just keep it the same. Don't change it. And this cursor, I put it as pointer. Now links, float left. Just remember this coding over here. There's nothing to explain over here, as padding and font family, font size, we all know these things. Next, body. A body, I put margin 0, text alignment center, background linear gradient. Now these I have already told you how I got these numbers, this hex code. So I just opened Google Chrome and I just wrote a color picker. Let me just show you. So over here I write color picker, and here see I can select the color. So for example, I'm going to select pink color. Okay, not exactly. Okay, this pink I choose, and this is the one I'll move to select the pink color I want. And over here you see that the numbers are changing, like the hex code, RGB, CMYK, HSV, HSL, all of them are changing. So for example, if I am selecting this color, I have to just click on this icon and copy the hex code, or I have to just select it and do Control plus C, and that's all. Next I paste it over here. Okay, I hope I was able to explain you that. Next, I come to the image. Over here, you see that I put the height as 200 px and border radius as 50%. Border black solid. Okay. Now intro, padding left as 100 px, padding right as 100 px. Line height 2, font size 18 px, text align center. Now hashtag brand. Now what was hashtag brand? Let me just show you over here. Mm, this H1 ID was brand. So I put hashtag brand and font size as 100 px for this hashtag brand, and font family as Corinthia and cursive. So this Corinthia, I got it from the Google Fonts, I guess. And then I wrote cursive over here. Links over. Now dot links, why do I write dot links? In my earlier video on Steve Jobs web page, I had already mentioned that when we are coding any class in CSS, we have to put dot, and so I did it like dot link. Next, hover. That means when my mouse is hovered on this, what will happen? The font size will be changed to 20 px. Earlier it was some other number. Next, font weight bold and color dark slate gray. So I really prefer this color dark slate gray when the cursor is hovered, because it really makes a visible change on the text I am putting my cursor on. So that's why I prefer this dark slate gray. This color is just great, but for normal text colors, like if I selected the dark slate gray for kidsy trends, then it would have not gone well with this web page. Now in JavaScript, in this web page we do not have any JavaScript coding, so it's just HTML and CSS. Okay, so let me just show you the HTML once again and just have a look at the coding, and just scrolling my mouse, hovering through the HTML coding. Okay, so in CSS, I again start hovering. You can pause this video at any time and have a look at this. In fact, I have the link of this video in the description box. You can go there and check. Let me show you. Okay, and JavaScript, we have nothing over here. In fact, we don't need anything in JavaScript. And last time, I hope that you could understand how the gradient was selected, because I guess I could not explain you well. So this time I just showed you how this gradient was selected and how I got the hex code from Google Color Picker. Now I would prefer you to search it in google.com or Google Chrome. If you are using any other uh, uh, web browser, for example Firefox or Microsoft Edge, like me, then just go to google.com and then you search for um, color picker. Don't just search for color picker in Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Safari or Opera or any other web browser other than the Google Chrome or Google. Otherwise you will get wrong results. And this code pen, I have noticed that this code pen just works well with the Google Color Pickers hex code. So that's why I prefer you to go to google.com and just select the hex code. So I hope today's video was helpful. It was found helpful and you could understand how I coded this kidsy trends. However, if you have any questions, please post it in the comment section below. I have kept the comment section open below so that you can post your questions over there. So I hope this video was found helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.